My name's Rishi. My brother and I created the concept of Peckers. Peckers is a premium chicken store which offers fast foods. What we felt was that we wanted to bring the service that you get in London to the home counties. Our background stems within the retail sector. So we own budgeting stores, so we had zero knowledge of the fast food sector. It was an unusual story. We got offered this site where my family lived on this estate. My granddad owned and operated a store here for 30 years, away from the fast food sector, as an off license. So when the unit came up, we grabbed at the opportunity and we decided to create Peckers. Food's subjective, whereas if someone comes in and buys a Mars bar in our stores, they know what products they're getting. There are many similarities: customer service, the ability to create a community environment. However, it does differ simply because of the subjectivity of food. We decided to work with Jestic because we just needed to know everything. Within the sector, they were known to be super helpful, and a few friends that are within the sector gave us their contact details, and from that moment we just knew that these were the guys that we wanted to work with. We chose to work with Jestic solely because of their reputation within the industry. We went to a few trade shows, people that we know within the sector. The answer always went back to Jestic being the guys to use for equipment. Advice-wise, Jestic really and truly helped with everything. Because we're so new to the sector, we went through all the equipment. They showed us how to use it in their kitchen. They didn't oversell, which was very important to us. We're new to the industry. We obviously wanted to explore all our options. If we have had any issues, the guys at Jestic have sent out engineers within the day, which has been very useful. Henny is great because it filters the oil regularly and it ensures that our standards are upheld. They're just very consistent in how the product comes out.
My name's Sanjay. I'm one of the co-founders alongside my brother at Peckers. So basically we knew that we wanted to use Henny, and then I went and found who the distributor in the UK was, and Jestic came up in my search. From the initial buying of the equipment through to delivery, installation and aftercare. Aftercare is definitely second to none. And we've had faults that have been out within 24 hours. And now we see it in action, we just think, wow. So they were fantastic in guiding us through the equipment list and what we needed, and then also our concept. We were initially going to do chicken and pizza, but they actually advised us to concentrate on one piece, and that was chicken. So we've got the Henny Evolution Elite, which is a chip fryer, absolutely fantastic, cooks to a timer, cleans to a timer, and drains to a timer. You can't beat it. So the Air King breading table just works. The bun toaster from Antunes, again, another great piece of equipment, the best in the market in our eyes. Always consistent in what it produces and comes out within 10 seconds. Moduline is great because it holds to a temperature and basically does what it says on the tin. So we use the MKN for grilled chicken, and again, it's a great piece of equipment. So the Vitamix Blender we brought in 2 months ago. Jestic advised us to get this, again, being the best in class. Great results. Customers are super happy with the quality and also the thickness of the shakes that come out of the Vitamix Blender. So initially when they walk in, they generally think, wow, the interior is amazing, it looks quite cool. And then when they have the food, they love it. Jestic were absolutely brilliant. They initially helped us build the concept, the equipment line, and most importantly, within this industry, it's all about aftercare, and they provide that extremely well.